Oh.
Hi guys, welcome to the 2012 Scooter Olympics. Ethan Glazer and Nathan Bruce. Competing in the first ever 2012 Scooter Olympics. The first event will be clearest landing. For this event, Ethan will be going first. His first try will be one ramp. Ready? Go!
There's a car coming.
Next, he's going to go up 2 ramps. This event goes up, the highest you could get is 12 points.
3 for each jump.
3 for each jump. Ready? Go! Oh! Now he's going to go for 3. 3 blocks high. Do you think he can do it? Go! And finally, 4. If he wipes out, he gets 0 points. The final jump, he's going up. Great. Now, it's going to be Nate Bruce's turn to do the clearest jump of fun.
Starts at 1 block. Each block you can get 3 points. 12 total. 12 is the
I'm ready
best.
to go.
Go! What a terrific jump. Next, he's going to try 2 blocks. Well, he made 2. Probably, but. Go! 2. Now 3. Ooh. Will he make 3 blocks? Ready? Go! And finally, the hardest of all, the King Smagaroo. 4 blocks. Ready? Go!
The next event will be the best trick.
Or tricks.
The best trick event will be scored on in 10 points. 2 points for style, 2 points for landing, 2 points for trick, and then 4 points
And then 4 points for
for originality.
and then no wait, 3 points for originality and 1 point for extra tricks.
Okay, Ethan Glazer's gonna go first. Go. He does the bunny hop. Going up. Another bunny hop. Oh! Alright, he's coming back around. Bunny hop. Ooh, and a wipeout. That's gonna cost him some points. And his run is over. Now when Nate Bruce finished
Wow. But not one, then that's gonna cost them. Oh, is he gonna do it? Oh. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Uh-huh. 20 up. Oh. And nice.
The next event is going to be the long jump.
This is gonna be also.
For this one, Ethan Glazen's going to go first.
This is gonna be a 5-point event. All points. The winner. Right here's mine.
Now it's time for the final event of today, the dragster race. This one, whoever wins for this race, the first person to make it to the curve wins.
Whoever first gets 10 points in this race, most likely. They pretty, look.
This is the final event. Whoever wins it will probably win it all.
Probably.
And probably
Probably. But we're just doing it. So,
ready,
probably
Ethan?
not. Ready. Set. Go.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and also tell us who won in the comment section below. Thanks.